My guy, why you sleeping? Why you sleeping? You have a fly. He's too relaxed. You should be focusing on the most wanted. Okay then. He's gonna ignore me keep sleeping? Alright. Let's do the job. Let's get the job working.
Alright, rookie. Let's start simple. Sweep your wand scanner around the passenger. If it beeps, use your other hand to grab whatever they're hiding.
I packed light this time, should be a breeze.
Shabada?
Nothing to hide here, officer.
Give me. Give me it. Give me it. Can you give me or not? So you're not gonna give me, huh? Give me your hand. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Okay, stop.
Yes,
There it
that's my
is.
lucky charm.
Looks like we've got a smuggler. Now do your job. Stamp that passport and reject them.
Ain't no way. Alright, give me that.
Oh, well, that's unexpected. I guess I'll follow you then.
Nice work so far. Now let's see how you handle luggage. Send that suitcase through the X-ray machine using the belt control. You'll see its contents on the screen. Look closely. Some items might seem innocent at first glance. If anything looks suspicious, compare it with the list of prohibited items. Still unsure? Open the luggage and check it yourself.
Uh-huh. Oh. My bad.
Well, look what we've got. That item's on the banned list. Good eye, rookie. Now reject the passenger. This one's not going anywhere.
Wait, my brother. Here you go,
That's
miss.
unexpected. I guess I'll follow you then.
All right, time to step
I'm
things
excited.
up.
First time flying
This
a
screen shows a list of wanted criminals. Some of them might try to sneak past you. Look closely. If something seems off, glasses, hats, mustaches, remove them. They might be in disguise.
Nope. Wait. Same person. Oh. My bad. Wait, what? Where's my handy dandy? No luggage? William Jason. No.
If a passenger refuses to move, you'll need to encourage them. Grab whatever tool you've got and give them a little push. Forceful? Maybe. Effective? Absolutely.
I understand, just doing your job. Oh, I forgot I had that in there. My apologies.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. He's already rejected. Maybe can you? No. Now what?
Like and subscribe. Sorry it was short part to coming soon.